Hi Leo, this is your reading for the month November 2020. Please keep in mind that this may not resonate for all of you. If it does resonate, take it. If it doesn't, just leave it and let the rest of Leo take it. Baka sa susunod po sa ibang reading, maka-resonate na kayo. I have to apologize for the sound of vehicles outside because I live beside the road. Sa mga subscribers ko po, welcome back. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. So here we go. Babasahin ko po yung inyong recent past and then yung current situation and the near future. After that, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from the angel, from the universe, and the love card to close the reading. Okay, let's go. Bottom of the deck is 8 of Cups in reverse. 8 of Cups in reverse is not knowing what to do, aimless, walang direksyon. Hindi malaman yung pupuntahan niya, pero at least hindi na siya stuck. Kasi yung 8 of Cups na upright is withdrawal and parang turning point, parang stuck siya sa sarili niyang paranoia. Okay, so kukunin natin yung next card for the clarification bago tayo magbasa. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is a new job, new investment, or material gain. Meron pong mag-o-offer sa inyo o meron kayong ma-encounter na mag-o-offer ng ideas or bagong hanap buhay or bagong investment or business, and magiging fruitful po ito, magiging productive and successful. Okay, in your recent past, you have the Fool and the Six of Swords in reverse. Parehong reverse. Parehong reverse. The Fool is losing interest, not anymore interested, hindi na siya excited. Feeling niya mali siya ng desisyon. And the Six of Swords in reverse is holding back. Okay? Yung hindi ka makamove on. So, nagkamali ka ng desisyon, hindi ka makamove on. Ayaw mong pakawalan yung nakaraan. Stuck ka doon. Doon ka lang. Ayaw mo siyang alisin sa sistema mo. the Five of Cups in reverse and the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is people from the past, memories from the past. So it could be this is the one that is keeping you moving on. Siguro ito yung dahilan kaya hindi ka makamove on kasi yung nakaraan mo hindi mo maiwan-iwanan. Either the memory or the person from your past, siya yung hindi ka makamove on, hindi ka makaalis-alis. Okay? Ito yung mga tao na pwedeng friends, pwedeng regalo, maski even your pets from the past, everything, you cannot move away from them. Hindi ka makaalis sa memory nila. Five of Cups in reverse is hope. You're hoping for them to return or come back, or you're hoping for something na magbalik sila, parang ganon. That's what you are trying to do. But this is also a recovery or returning. This is returning to the past. So it looks like, because over here you cannot move on. Ito from the past, you cannot move on from the past, and you still are hoping, and you keep returning to the past. Okay, so the Queen of Cups and the Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse is isolation ends, or you need to look for someone to help you, because this is feels like this is your energy now. Marami kang drama. There are a lot of dramas that surrounds you, Leo, and this is codependency. It feels like yung buhay mo nakadepende sa nakaraan mo na, sa mga tapos na. Kailangan mag-move on ka doon. Kailangan alisin mo na yung sarili mo dun sa sitwasyon na yon. Kasi it's not getting you anywhere. This is codependency. So it means like parang nakadepende ka sa buhay mo nung nakaraan. You will not be able to move that. You will not reach the Ace of Pentacles kapag hindi ka nag-move on. Okay? So, you are aimless. How can you be reaching a direction pag aimless ka? Your current situation as of the moment is, it feels like you will be deciding to withdraw. You will come to a point na mai-realize mo na kailangan mo nang mag-move on at iwan yung mahahalaga sa buhay mo, iwanan yung feelings mo, iwanan yung emotions mo, because it only gives you sadness. And then magko-concentrate ka sa sarili mo. You will have some passionate and confident self. At it feels like you are going to do something, to learn something and focus on yourself. Okay? You're leaving the past behind to focus on yourself. Here, magiging abundant ka. Possible grant ng loan, kung naglo-loan ka kahit kanino, sa tao, whoever. Posibleng mag-grant yung loan mo. Posibleng makatanggap ka ng balita na na-approve yung loan mo. And if you are dealing with the law, you will receive a news na pumabor sa'yo yung desisyon. This is also generosity. Maybe someone will help you. And it feels like you're going to be really prosperous. Maybe the reason for your prosperity or abundance is you're doing something in terms of delivering message, or maybe sa social media, maybe sa Facebook, or may trabaho kang ginagawa and your work deals with delivering message, because these are messages and it's fast coming mga messages ito. For me, I think of this as a social media or the internet. So maybe the abundance that you're getting has something to do with the social media or the internet, or pwede rin namang email, okay? You are going to balance life and love life. So, pero mababalance mo naman siya. You will not have trouble with it. So, ang nangyayari dito, you are also, this is union. The only challenge you will have is you need to balance everything, your partnership, your union, and whatever that is that you're doing. Pero feeling ko mababalance mo naman. In the near future, someone is going to be immature, or you're going to have problems with some documents or whatever that is. But ma-overcome mo yun. Ma-avoid mo rin siya, or you will be able to survive that. Because this is immaturity or tax issue, mga ganyan. And this is a liberation from burden. Matatapos na yung paghihirap mo. Now, Five of Swords in reverse is a good thing, because this is coming out of truth, fair fight, patas na laban, and this is stuck in the past na naman. This is, because Six of Cups is in reverse here, dito naka-upright siya. This is being stuck in the past with unrealistic expectations. Meron ka pang expectation from the past, pero for me, with the Five of Swords here, it feels like a truth will come out, and then you will be fair to yourself. Mare-recover mo yung mo sa past. Nine of Pentacles in reverse is, this is financial obstacles, and you will put a lot of strength. Titibayan mong maigi yung loob mo dahil magkakaroon ka ng konting financial problem. Pwede rin namang hindi financial problem. Pwede rin too much work. Pwedeng too much work, kaya mo titibayan ang sarili mo, or may mga naiinggit sa'yo, kaya titibayan mo yung sarili mo. But I feel like you will be able to overcome this, because strength is a very powerful card to endure a lot of pains, troubles, miseries. You will undergo that, but your strength will pull you through. So, makakaya mo lahat yan. Let's see what the angels are saying about you. So it says Astara. Astara is your angel, and she said, you deserve the best. Reach for the stars with your dreams and desires, and don't compromise. Ganda. So, reach for the stars with your dreams and desires. Abutin mo lang sila. Huwag kang makikipagkompromiso because that probably will pull you down. Baka yung kompromiso mo pa ang maging dahilan para hindi mo maabot yung mga pangarap mo. Let's see what the universe is saying. Happiness is my birthright. So, you can be happy all you want. Kasi karapatan mo naman yun. That's what the universe is saying. Let us see your love card. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. O, diba? So, you don't have to worry. You have a lot of support around you. Just ask. The universe is on your side also. And the angels saying, just go for it. Reach for your dreams. Reach for your ambition. Don't compromise. And everything will be fine. This card is really positive. So just look out for it. Darating yan sa'yo. Huwag ka lang magpapa-apekto sa mga distractions. Okay? So that's your reading for the month November 2020, Leo. Thank you and I'll see you next video.